Okay, so what you've got here is a form or a sheet that has a link to the various forms that we have available to school districts here in Northern Kentucky. For you specifically, that would be the Kenton County Schools. Essentially, it's very easy to fill out. We're not asking for a bunch of information. The Marines have tried to make it as bare bones as possible. So essentially, for Kenton County Schools, you would essentially just click it. It would take you to the form, and basically, first question it would give you is, what school are you associated with? Verify that everybody is indeed on here. I just want to make sure that I'm not missing any schools. I know that this is a program that is geared towards individuals that are up to 13 years of age. However, in the past, there have been a number of special needs individuals that have been able to benefit this because they found it very fun to receive toys for Christmas. So feel free, if you think that there are individuals that still could benefit from receiving toys and they're outside of that range, please feel free to sign them up as well. So here's what we've got. Let's just pretend that I am at Beech Grove Elementary, and I am going to hit the next button right here. And basically, it's going to ask for a parent or guardian information. We'll say that it is Fred G. Who knows what his name is? But anyway, he's going to be requesting toys for one child in that family. Maybe the family has 4 or 5 individuals, but we'll just request toys for one. At this point, it's going to ask for a name, and this name, we will make it Freddie Jr., and we will say that he is a male and that he is 4 to 6 years of age. And if that is it for the family, you can say no. If that is not the only child in the family that you want to request toys for, you would simply say yes. Okay. So we're going to say, is there another child? No, there's just Freddie Jr. And we are going to hit next. And lo and behold, that is it once we hit the submit button. Okay. If indeed, for some reason, there is any sort of difficulty having time to be able to do this for your students, please let us know. We have a number of high school students here at Ignite that are more than happy to assist in perhaps doing this. If you have some sort of a spreadsheet that might have ages or something, I mean, they could maybe even you could even dictate to them. We had one individual at a Boone County school that basically got them on the phone, and they were keying it via phone while the FRC coordinator was doing something else in the room. So whatever you'd like to do, we can try to help as much as possible. This is a great program for young people that might not ordinarily be getting toys or perhaps very many toys. The Marines really would like to be able to get rid of as many toys as possible here in Northern Kentucky. This past year, we got close to about 25,000 toys sent out to various school districts and community organizations throughout Northern Kentucky. So please, if you possibly can, try to find the time or reach out to us and see if we can offer you some sort of assistance. Unfortunately, we can't really do bulk orders. The Marines do request that we have specifically a name and an age for an individual. So unfortunately, we can't just say, send me 40 toys of this age group, 20 of another, 30 of another. If you could possibly do it individually, that's what the Marines want. Okay. So anyway, thank you very much. And I appreciate you finding the time to fill these out. Thank you very much. Bye.